Hello everyone! Today I'm going to explain some important tricks of transfer pump disassembling. For a secure disassembly, we shall need a vise to fix the pump, some tools, including two metallic rods that come together with every transfer pump. Whatever purpose of opening of a transfer pump would be, a cleaning, servicing or repair, we should always start with a pneumatic part. Make sure the pump is disconnected from air and product supply. Fix it securely in the vise in horizontal position. And open the pneumatic part with a belt wrench or a pipe wrench. Unscrew it and take off the cap. Never try to open the pump here with a spanner, you will break it. Instead of that, use two metallic rods supplied to dismantle air motor. When it's too rigid, you can use also a pipe wrench for disassembly. After opening the air motor, you will find a pin that will have to be extracted. After that, take out the pin and take off the air motor. The pneumatic part of the pump is ready for service.